Hello everyone. First question. Which element of these is bad conductor of electricity? Answer: wood. A genetic disorder that reduces blood flow of human body. Answer: hemophilia. What is the chemical formula of water? Answer: H2O. Who was first invented camera? Answer: Joseph Niepce. Who wrote the famous book on scientific theory on the origin of species? Answer: Charles Darwin. Who is known as the father of botany? Answer: Theophrastus. Who is known as father of zoology? Answer: Aristotle. Who is the father of chemistry? Answer: Antony Lavoisier. Which is the largest solar power plant in the world? Answer: Kamuthi Solar Power Project. How much time does sunlight take to reach Earth? Answer: 8.3 minutes. Which element has no neutron? Answer: hydrogen. What is the chief ore of aluminium is? Answer: bauxite. Name the hardest material present in human body. Answer: enamel. What is the name of windpipe? Answer: trachea. Which scientist discovered the chemical element nitrogen? Answer: Daniel Rutherford. In which of the following disease will you advise the intake of iodized salt? Answer: goiter. Which among the following is the hottest planet in the solar system? Answer: Venus. On which spacecraft did Rakesh Sharma make his historic trip to space? Answer: Soyuz T-11. Which part of plant is important for the life cycle of plant? Answer: flower. What is the name of the smallest bird in the world? Answer: hummingbird. Which of the following is not a vector quantity? Answer: volume. What is the average heat of lightning? Answer: 3 times hotter than sun. Humidity in air is measured by? Answer: hygrometer. The element present in the largest amount in the rocks and minerals is? Answer: silicon. Who was discovered the neutron? Answer: James Chadwick. Which mineral is necessary for the formation of strong bones and muscles? Answer: calcium. What is the biochemical laboratory of human body? Answer: liver. Turmeric is obtained from which part of the tree? Answer: stem. What is the reaction between potassium iodide and lead nitrate? Answer: double displacement. Which one of the following substance is used in the preservation of foodstuff? Answer: potassium chloride. Accumulation of which one of the following in the muscles lead to fatigue? Answer: lactic acid. Which of the following is a semiconductor? Answer: silicon. Which of these contain large quantities of ice? Answer: comets. A woman's voice is slower than a man's due to? Answer, higher frequency. The process of separating liquid mixtures through vaporizations and condensations is known as? Answer, distillation. Which of the following is not a scientific optical instrument? Answer, periscope. Which one of the following is not correctly matched? Answer, pyrometer, high temperature. What is the largest artery in the human body? Answer, aorta. Cells that conduct messages are known as? Answer, nerve cells. Who among the following anticipated Newton by declaring that all things gravitate to the earth? Answer, Brahmagupta. Which of these is considered a gaseous planet? Answer, Neptune. Which scientist discovered the radioactive element radium? Answer, Marie and Pierre Curie. Which of the following is not micronutrient? Answer, calcium. Who invented the ballpoint? Answer, Biro brothers. The preserved remains of one living organism is called? Answer, fossils. The color of ozone molecule is? Answer, blue. Energy consumptions is loudspeaker are? Answer, electrical to mechanical to sound. Blood is formed in the human adult by the? Answer, red bone marrow. What is gas filled in the bulb? Answer, nitrogen. Who was discovered the double helix structure of DNA? Answer, Watson and Crick. Who was the co-founder of cell theory along with Theodore Schwann and Rudolf Virchow? Answer, Matthias Jakob Schleiden. Who was the first man to fly around the earth with a spaceship? Answer, Gagarin. Who was the first person to see the protozoa by using microscopes? Answer, Anton van Leeuwenhoek. What is the lightest existing metal? Answer, aluminium. Which device was invented by Henry Mill? Answer, typewriter. Who was Vinu Makand? Answer, Indian cricketer. Which fertilizer attracted the maximum subsidy in India during the year 2015 to 2016? Answer, urea. Which country launched the RS-300 sound rocket in April 2018? Answer, India. Which country launched IRNSS-11 navigation satellite? Answer, India. Which scientist awarded to the Nobel Prize in 2007? Answer, Peter Grunberg. Which of the following missiles works on the theory of fire and forget? Answer, Nag. Chief of the Air Force is called? Answer, Air Chief Marshal. Where is the master control facility in India? Answer, both A and B. Where is Vikram Sarabhai Space Center? Answer, Tiruvananthapuram. What was the Chandrayaan 1? Answer, lunar probe. Which acid is present in lemon? Answer, citric acid. What is NVR? Answer, acrylonitrile butadiene rubber. Which of the following is not a type of elements? Answer, gases. Which is India's first experimental satellite launch vehicle? Answer, SLV-3. When the Indian Space Research Organization was set up? Answer 1969. Where is the headquarters of ISRO? Answer Bangalore. Which one is not the form of biocides? Answer bleach. Biochemical compounds are used as? Answer all of the above. In which form the chemical compound RDX is used? Answer as an explosive. What is the full form of ASLV? Answer Augmented Satellite Launch Vehicle. What causes the mad cow disease? Answer prion. What is the another name of vitamin K? Answer 2-methyl-1,4-naphthoquinone. Which of the following hormone control the blood pressure? Answer vasopressin. Brain and the spinal cord are invested by membranes called? Answer meninges. Which or one of the following is the richest sources of vitamin C? Answer orange. When an organism obtains its food from decaying organic matter of dead plants, dead animals and rotten bread, it is called? Answer saprotrophic nutrition. Animals which eat only plants are called? Answer herbivorous. What is the process of taking food into the body called? Answer ingestion. What is the process of intake of nutrients by an organism as well as the utilizations of these nutrients by the organism called? Answer nutrition. Which one of the following organisms has a role in converting nitrous to free nitrogen? Answer rhizobium. Who was the India's first woman in the space? Answer Rakesh Sharma. What is rodenticide? Answer a pesticide. Which is the largest blood vessels in the body? Answer aorta. Which of the following carries impure blood? Answer pulmonary artery. Which of the following is the master gland? Answer pituitary gland. Which is the smallest flightless bird? Answer kiwi. Which is the vertebrate that has two-chambered heart? Answer fish. What is the lifespan of WBC? Answer 2 to 15 days. What is the lifespan of RBC? Answer 120 days. There are dash number of muscles in human. Answer 639. Which is the largest human cell? Answer ovum. What is the physical phase of life called? Answer protoplasm. Which animal never drinks water in its entire life? Answer kangaroo rat. What is the name of the cells in the body that engulf foreign particles like bacteria? Answer phagocytes. Sorology is the study of? Answer lizards. Thank you for watching this video.